Rack 'em up, knock 'em down. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I just want to share with all of you a recent purchase that I made on December 16th of this year. As you can see on the screen, I purchased the EcoGear 20U open frame rack for servers and AV gear. Now, I'm going to be specifically using this rack as a freestanding floor rack, replacing this current setup that you see here in the photo of the glass desk and the desktop rack. I'm super excited to get this floor standing rack assembled. It does come in two models, two flavors. It has a 15U version and a 20U version, which is the version I bought. At the time of this recording, the 20U version is selling for $213 and the 15U version is selling for $184. It does come with two ventilated shelves, a 1U shelf and a 2U shelf, along with all of the other accessories like rack screws, shelf stops, securement straps, etc. It also can be mounted on a wall if you choose not to actually use it as a freestanding floor rack. So, I hope to build this rack for you in this video, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the assembly process. All right, so we're going to attempt to get this assembled. First thing we have to do is get it out of the box. Hopefully you could see okay over here. I'm going to try to build it in this area. Hopefully there's enough light and you'll be able to get an idea of what's going on. Okay, so I'll go over what I'm taking out of the box as I'm taking it out of the box. So here appears to be one of the metal sides or frames. Looks like the front or the back. We'll find out. We have the instruction guide, which I will probably follow. We have something here. Looks like some accessories or mounting hardware. We'll find out. Okay, so it's the leveling feet, the straps, the rack screws, and the rack stops. And then here's the toggle bolts. They look like 4-inch toggles to mount to a wall if that was what you planned on doing, but we're not. This is actually empty, just the spacer. I have a feeling in this box we have the shelving units. So here we have the 1U vented shelving. You can see that. Here we have the 2U vented shelving. Again, you can see through it. Looks like we have part of the frame assembly here. And that's it for that box. And finally, we have the other main frame part, which is most likely the rear. So let me go ahead and see what else, if there's anything else in the box. And then we'll scan the instructions real quick and begin the assembly. So let me just see what's in here. There's something in here. And it appears to be 2 what appear to be side braces, but we'll find out as we go. Let's get all this stuff back in the box so we could begin assembly. Okay, so we are back, and I did quickly glance through the instructions after I cleaned up the area and got rid of the cardboard and all of the debris. And there are a couple of tools we're going to need to assemble this. You need a 1/2-inch socket wrench, a regular Phillips head screwdriver, a straight edge screwdriver, and an 11/16 wrench. So the first thing we're going to do comes with the 2 back braces. We have to attach the back braces to the top and bottom of each of the side pieces. So the side pieces, those are those long pieces here. They are marked left and right. At the very bottom it says L, and on the other one it says R. So I'm going to first attach the first bottom brace. Now you're probably not going to see this too well, but you'll see it when I actually do repeat the process on the top. So we're going to attach it and then use the supplied nuts and then the ratchet to tighten them down. Now I'm not going to tighten them down fully right now. I just want to get the piece assembled. Okay, now I'm sorry you didn't see that, but I'm going to repeat the process up here. So we're going to take, and again, it's important not to tighten down on the nuts just yet. We're going to take this piece right here, the back brace, and we are going to put it in here like so. Okay, so now that I have pretty much the rack assembled, as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and just tighten down on the nuts and ratchet them down. And then it's upside down right now. We'll add the leveling feet, and then we pretty much should be good to go. The placement of the shelves will all depend on how I rack the rest of the gear, but the whole point was to get the rack build. It's pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, 2 front braces, 2 rear braces, and the 2 side main pieces. So let's go ahead and get everything tightened down, and then we will proceed from there. All right, so there you go. I assembled the rack. There's basically 6 pieces, the 2 main side frames, the 2 back braces, and the 2 front braces. Now, I wish you could have seen more, but I'm obviously working with the space that I have here available behind me. But I think you get the idea. It's pretty straightforward. I'm probably going to replace that top front brace with one of the shelves so I could put like my encoders and decoders and Raspberry Pis up on the very top. So I'll take care of that. Once I get it in place, I still have to disassemble this whole area here with the glass desk and the desktop rack, but at least we got it assembled. It was pretty straightforward, not hard to do. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. How many of you guys are using a freestanding floor rack? Let me know. Again, put that down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please click the video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.